This is a really, really awesome toy. Really awesome toy. So we're at Target. We're gonna look at some new toys for Ryan. So, got Ryan's toys. He's gonna be super happy once I get home. Ready for me, so we can start playing with his toys.
1 hour later.
Paw Patrol Woods?
Yeah.
No, something different than Paw Patrol Woods. Let's go see Ryan. Let's go see what we got here. Let's go see what we got here, Ryan. Are you ready? What's that? What's that? Look at that. Look at Lonnie McQueen.
I want Paw Patrol Woods.
We can get Paw Patrol Woods later.
No.
We got this one. You don't want that one?
Paw Patrol Woods.
Let's play with that one. Come on.
Paw Patrol Woods. Is it Paw Patrol Woods?
We gotta look for that one soon. We'll look for them on Amazon.
Me?
Yes.
Mommy go on the truck.
Hmm?
Mom want to go on the truck.
Okay.
And I'll come and do it and do it and... Grandma! Grandma! Now take the album.
Let's see that one, right? Wow, that was super cool. Look at that. We got the Nighty McQueen. We got it at Walmart, at Target. Look at that. Wow, it's so cool, Ryan. It's so cool. You gonna try it out? Look at that. Wow, it comes with batteries. Look, we put the batteries here. 3 batteries in the car, and then 2 batteries in the remote. Super Ryan! We're gonna have some fun with this one. Let's see, we're gonna test it out. See if it works, if it's good, and then we'll recommend it if it's good to buy it or not.
Look.
Nice color, look at that. Oh, and then Ryan got some new cars. Ryan got this one. Look at that one. That one's nice. And then he got this one right here. That one's real nice too. So yeah, the batteries are the ones that weren't working. So now we put new batteries. We put new batteries, and we already tested out, and it's working, guys. Oh, it's gonna be super fun.
We need to do it outside.
So this is a remote.
Let's go to outside.
That's the remote
Go
for
outside.
Nanny McQueen. And Ryan wants to go outside, so we're gonna go outside. Look at that. Do it again, Reed. Press it. Press it, Ryan. Look at that. Super fast, Nanny McQueen. So we're gonna go outside, have some fun. And no, let's take that one only. I'll be back. So we decided to come outside, test it out, see how Nanny McQueen goes. See Nanny McQueen. Oh, Nanny McQueen! Come on, Nanny McQueen. Whoa, that Nanny McQueen's fast, dude. Look at Nanny McQueen. Can I try it? Let me try it. Wow! Whoa! Hey! Easy on that. Look, you already scratched Nanny McQueen. Easy on there, dude. Look at that. Nanny McQueen, you scratched it already. Whoa! Come on, Nanny McQueen! Look at Nanny McQueen. Go! Whoa! Go on, Nanny McQueen. Go! Whoa! Look, let me see it.
I want to go run like that.
In the grass. Look, let me see. Look.
I want to do it.
Put it on the floor. Look, I'm gonna show you a trick.
I want to do it.
Watch. Put it here.
You there?
Watch.
I want to do it.
So look, what you do, this is for the tires. Look, move it. You see the tires? And then the other one, this one, is for the back tires. Push it. Whoa! That's super fast, Nanny McQueen. Wow, Nanny McQueen! Oh, Nanny McQueen! It's not on the grass.
I want to take out the
Look.
grass.
And then you move it here. Whoa! This is a remote for the Nanny McQueen car. I ran my finger! You got my finger stuck, dude. Remember, guys, like our videos. You gotta like Super Ryan's videos, because we're always doing toy videos. We're already having fun with toys. Like for example, this one we bought it at Target. It's Nanny McQueen. Look at that. Go, Ryan. Look at that, Ryan. Look at the airplane. Look at the airplane right there. Where's the airplane? Where is it? Oh, right there. Look, right there. It's right there. Right there. Come on, Ryan. Come on, Ryan. Nanny McQueen fell. Fell on the grass. Come on, Ryan. Fell on the grass.
Where's that go?
Where's that from? that from the Truckmaster?
No. In the truck.
Oh, yeah, it's from the truck.
And to fix it later.
Yeah.
And to fix it. The flowers.
Get Lightning McQueen, dude. Lightning McQueen's stuck.
And the race.
Gonna race?
Yes.
Okay, let's race, Lightning McQueen. Whoa! Super fast! Whoa!
Race.
Come on.
The wing in the wing. The wing in the pinnacle.
Go.
No, sit down. And we're here.
No, pass it through here. Pass it through here. I want to see the camera. Pass it through the camera. Whoa! That was fast. That was super fast, dude. It went through between my legs, dude.
No. Sit down. Sit down. Grab, Daddy.
Can I use it?
No.
You don't want to share it? Share your toy, dude. I want to play too.
Sit down here.
Where?
Right there. Right there.
Okay. Come on, dudes. Oh, let my Lightning McQueen go. And this is Ryan's YouTube channel right here. Look at that. This is Ryan's YouTube channel. Look at that. Super Ryan. That's the name of Ryan's channel. And remember, subscribe to his channel. This one is the latest video we done. We did yesterday. It's about Paw Patrol. Paw Patrol Mighty Pups. So make sure you go like our video and comment.
I want to do it again.
Ryan wants to do it again. What do you want to do again, buddy? You want to do the Paw Patrol or Lightning McQueen? Wow, dude, super fast. Another airplane? Wow. Come on, Ryan. Come on, Ryan. Where are you going? Come on, Ryan. Lightning McQueen. Push it over here. Come on.
Jump back.
Go, Ryan.
We're going to race here.
Look at Lightning McQueen. Wow, let me do a quick video from Lightning McQueen right here. Wait, hold on. Don't press it. Wait. Don't press it. Look at that. We got. Wait, dude. Wait. Bring it back. I'm gonna do a quick video on Lightning McQueen.
No.
Look at that Lightning McQueen right here. It's a really nice car. Another airplane. Look at the airplane. Another one. Right there. Right there. Right there. Go, Ryan. Wow. Wow, Lightning McQueen guys likes to go on the grass. Come on, Lightning McQueen, you're from the Piston Cup. Oh. Whoa. That's a super fast car. Of course, because Lightning McQueen is fast, right? Look at Lightning McQueen. I like Lightning McQueen. Look at that. Whoa! That's fast, dude. Whoa! It's not gonna go in the grass because that Lightning McQueen's not for the grass. Remember? Remember how he does it in the Piston Cup? Remember how you want to crash there? Remember how Lightning McQueen does it in the Piston Cup? Super fast. Whoa! That was a nice jump, dude. So what do you think, Ryan? Do you like the toy? Okay, so Ryan likes the toy.
With glasses.
Ryan likes the toy.
With glasses.
So So we hold on, Ryan. So Ryan likes it, and I will say about me, but I haven't tried it out because Ryan doesn't want to share it. So I mean, he likes it. So I think we do recommend this toy. It's a really fun toy. You can do a lot of things with it. It goes super fast too.